Hi, Mel Claro here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new blog article. And I'll also show you how to save it as a draft so that way you can work on it over multiple sessions. Additionally, I'll also show you how to publish your article immediately and then also turn around and show you how to schedule it for publishing at a future time. But first things first, make sure you're first logged in to your author's dashboard. If you forgot how to do this, check out the video about how to log in. You can find it in the playlist from which you found this video. To create a new article and save it as a draft, simply click the tab here labeled Write. That'll show you the Write Post window. In the Write Post window, write a title for your blog article. Then, in the Post field, simply start writing the main body of your article. Now, if you need more room, you can always drag this field extender up or down as you see fit. The formatting bar here works similar to most word processors. They allow you to format and align text within the body of your post. I won't dwell on each of these. Instead, for brevity, I'm going to go ahead and assume that you're familiar with the basic formatting functions. If you need to, feel free to explore the effect of each of these by simply highlighting some text and then selecting any of the formatting buttons. However, there is one button on the formatting bar that's worth mentioning. That's this one here called the kitchen sink button. No kidding, that's exactly what it's called, the kitchen sink. We recognize that some bloggers have a habit of creating a draft article offline using Microsoft Word. That's the popular word processing software from Microsoft. The problem, though, that has traditionally plagued a lot of blogging platforms is that pasting copy from Microsoft Word has typically included a lot of unseen formatting codes. These unseen codes can cause formatting problems in many blogging platforms. So what our platform has done here is to include a button that allows you to paste from Microsoft Word if that's how you want to do it. By pasting your Microsoft Word articles in this way, our platform attempts to strip out a lot of the offending formatting codes. It's not always perfect, but it does a reasonably good job. Of course, the cleanest approach would be to type your copy directly into the post field as I've done here. Now, if you do it this way, it's a good idea to save your article periodically as a draft so that way you have backup copies as you're going along, but also so you can get back to it later on for further edits if you need to leave the station for a little bit. To save it as a draft, simply click on the Publish Status field and make sure you have Unpublished selected before selecting the Save button. Later, when you log back in to work on your article some more, you can just click on the tab here labeled Manage and then select the Drafts button. From this list, just find your article and click on the title to continue editing it. Now, when you're ready to publish your article for public viewing, make sure to put a few keywords in the tags field here to help associate it with single word descriptives. The next thing you'll want to do is to select 1 to 3 categories to associate your article with. When you're satisfied that you're ready to make your article publicly viewable, simply scroll back up to the Publish Status section and then select the word Published from the drop-down list, then click Save. Once you click Save, your article will become immediately visible for RealBlogging visitors. Now sometimes bloggers, though, find it helpful to be able to schedule a future date on which they want to publish the article. This usually helps when you're writing a series of articles, for example, and want to release automatically each article over a period of days. Another use is if you're going on vacation, for example, and want to make sure an article you've written gets published while you're away. To schedule an article for a future date, just go back up to the Publish Status section and click the Edit button here next to the Calendar field. Here you'll see selectable fields for the month, day, year, and time on which you'd like your article to be publicly viewable. Okay, so that's it for this video. In this tutorial I showed you how to write an article, save it as a draft, recover it from a draft status, and then publish it for public viewing. In the next video I'll show you how to update your author's profile so visitors can learn more about you and your business when they click through from your published articles.